four pillars of good health are sleep, exercise, relaxation, and nutrition. There are three types of healthcare provided to people. Primary healthcare. The first contact or consultation between patients and a healthcare professional is called primary healthcare. The healthcare provider is usually a general physician or a family doctor. The patients usually come under all age groups. The most common ailments include diabetes, asthma, thyroid issues, etc. Secondary care. Acute care for a brief period of time is given during the secondary health care, for example, childbirth, medical imaging services, intensive care unit, etc. Tertiary care. Specialized consultation for advanced medical treatment is provided in this stage. For example, cancer, severe burns, plastic surgery, etc. The healthcare can be assessed on the following points: quality of the treatment provided, facilities provided by the healthcare system, the quality of the healthcare professionals, and overall experience of the patient. So, what can we do to improve healthcare? The first and foremost being improving access. It is important that patients have access to healthcare in order to benefit from the facilities. For example, more mobile clinics can be established to make sure no patient ever misses out on the facilities of healthcare. People-centered. It is important to take into consideration the choices and preferences of the patient. Efficient. It should be of utmost priority to minimize waste and increase use of resources to achieve maximum output. Reducing time delays. It is important to deliver quality healthcare to patients when they require it at that particular time. Delaying in providing healthcare can sometimes be fatal. Overcoming disparities. Even now, a lot of people belonging to poor backgrounds don't have access to good health care. This should be reduced and equal and affordable health care should be provided to all. Schemes by Indian government. Reproductive, maternal, newborn, child and adolescent health. The Pradhan Mantri Swasthya Suraksha Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, Rashtriya Arogya Nidhi, Central Government Healthcare System, Mahatma Jyoti Phule Jan Arogya Yojana. The reasons for having these schemes are: the policies are offered at a low price. This encourages people below the poverty line to avail insurance. It also ensures that poor people have some sort of insurance cover to maintain our physical health as well as our mental health. Physical health can be maintained by including a variety of food in our diet which is balanced and colorful. Food is never good or bad. It is all about portion. It is important to control our caffeine intake. Hydration at all times is necessary and skipping meals is a big no-no. Mental health. In order to improve our mental health, it is important that we practice meditation and keep ourselves organized. We should give ourselves time to do activities that we enjoy and not stress about things unnecessarily. If possible, we should also maintain the habit of writing a diary. Just like the English phrase goes, health is wealth. There is nothing more important than keeping ourselves healthy mentally and physically. And just like British historian Thomas Carlyle says, ill health of body and mind is defeat. Health alone is victory. Let all men, if they can, manage to contrive to be healthy.